Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the target PSI on the tire or placard. That number matters. Once done, connect power, 12V or mains, then warm the compressor a minute so oil and seals seat. Make sure the hose, fittings, and a separate pressure gauge are ready. Do not rely on a single gauge. Now attach the chuck firmly to the valve stem and hold it so airflow won't leak. Begin filling in short bursts. Listen for unusual sounds. You continue by inflating in controlled intervals, short bursts, so pressure rises predictably and you can monitor. After each burst, check pressure with your separate gauge. Compressors can read high or low, so this double check prevents overinflation. If the compressor or hose heats, pause to prevent damage. Compressors work less efficiently when hot. Also, reseat the chuck between checks to avoid leaks. Keep moving between. You finish by topping each tire to roughly 1 to 2 psi below the spec. Then do a final, careful check with your handheld gauge. Adjust as needed and replace the valve cap. Make sure the compressor cools before stowing and unplug or disconnect power safely. If a tire won't reach pressure, inspect the valve core and chuck for leaks, confirm the power supply or fuse, and look for a puncture. If the unit overloads, let it rest and try again. Do not force it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.